Hey friends, it's Teresa here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share an unboxing video of the Color Rush Studio October 2024 kit. The main kit is called Hey Boo, and so I'll be going through all of the beautiful products with this kit, and then there's also an add-on kit called Bold, and I'll go through the products in that kit as well. And so first off, welcome to October, and welcome to October Documenting. I love this month, and I was so excited to get this kit. I always feel like some of the best photographs and memories and layouts and the best crafting comes between September and January every year. And so kicking this off kind of with this beautiful Hey Boo kit. So first off, I'll start with the Frazzles and ribbon. Check this out. The black and white. This definitely gives a Beetlejuice feel, which is perfect if you're going to that movie right now. And then the pom-pom fringe or ball fringe. I love the purple for Halloween, and the green is definitely a fun color. I don't know that it's one that I've used in Halloween layouts, so that's going to be fun to challenge myself. This is sort of the theme of the kit, and I love this. I love her mismatched tights and her adorable little shoes and just the little bit of her skirt. And I love that this is an extra die cut that they tucked into the kit for us. I'm so excited about this particular artwork in this kit. It's I think it's central to the kit, and I love that so much. Now listen, if you love acrylic pieces, you're going to love these two packs. This is a set of three little black and silver glitter bats, and two moons, an orange moon and a purple moon with white dimensional stars layered on top of them. And then a couple of the tiny little fabric puffy stars. These are fantastic, aren't they? I can't wait to incorporate those. The other pack of acrylics is this gorgeous black with silver glitter spider webs, the same as the bats in the other pack. And then check out the tiny little spiders. There's a couple in pink, silver, green, blue, and gold. And I love that. I can't wait to do, I just imagine a layout with the little spiders crawling up the page. Also is larger fabric stars in purple, pink, yellow, and blue. Fabulous, fabulous colors for this collection. And I love the fact that y'all know I love puffy stickers, but I love that they're fabric puffies. I think that is so fun. Charla put this pack of ephemera from Happy Halloween into the box as a gift. Thank you so much. I love these ephemera from this collection. There's a great little silver holographic theme going on here. And of course, some fantastic icons and journaling spots. Some vellum pieces, so that'll be great fun to play with. And then of course, there is a ephemera pack in the kit from Color Rush Studio, which is ghosts, candy corn, more ghosts. So we're gonna have fun with that. Also, a little square, check this out, this is perfect. A little square of netting, black netting that fits with, look, it fits so gorgeous with the little mismatched tights. And then I wanted to say to you too, hold on to the tissue paper that's in your kit this month. This is the tissue paper because it's a great little layering piece. And also the tissue paper from last month was this black on clear or black on white star. And so both of these are going to be some fun little layering pieces along with the little netting or tulle here that was part of the kit. That is a perfect addition. So excited. Okay. There's also the foam titles and icons from the Happy Halloween collection. These are great. More of the silver holograph look and some great icons here and titles. The colorway in this kit tie in perfectly with the collection itself. All right, the pattern papers are fantastic. So this one, of course, repeats the little mismatched tights, the little witch's feet, and the adorable little house. And then, of course, Hey Boo, lots of little word art here that you can cut apart or, of course, use the way it is. It's just fantastic. I'm loving the pink in this collection and the orange and black and white. So those stand out really well on that pattern paper. The cute little frames with different characters appearing. These guys are so cute. The little ghosts, the bats, the pumpkin, another bat. So awesome. And check out the little house. The houses will appear again as well. And then this is a great little mixed media piece with the black and white check and the beautiful pink and purple plaid coming through. And that is one of the dreamiest plaids I've ever seen in my life. You guys know I love yellow and the white on yellow polka dot. It's very modern, it has a very fresh feel, and I love that. It goes so cute with the little frames. Look how cute that is. All right. The little Hey Boo again. And then these are the cut apart pieces. So you get a couple of tags. You get the witch's feet in a smaller scale here. Adorable little scallop circle and word art, and then two great borders for your 12 by 12 layouts. The stars, great stars here, perfect for any layout. These jars of hearts, okay, tandem there. These jars are gorgeous. I just want to cut them all out and do a whole page with just cut out jars. It's a whole vibe. And there's some gray appearing in this pattern paper as well that I really love. All right, this is one of my favorites as well. These beautiful houses. And they look so comfy and homey. Different little colors, and they're on a background of yellow and purple stars. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. And then, of course, the black spider webs on a pink background. Fantastic. Fantastic with those cute little spiders. That would be awesome. Okay, just playing around there. And then that beautiful purple and pink plaid for you. Okay, that is the Hey Boo kit. And let me share the add-on kit here as well, the bold kit. This is more fall themed for you. Both are important, Halloween and fall. And I love that there's a little bit of separation there. I like to keep my Halloween goodies kind of in their own area, and the fall goodies have their own containers too. And so this kit is just for the fall people. So there are 3 fantastic ephemera packs here. The first one I'll show you is a little embroidered florals, crochet leaves. And so they're little fall daisies. They're so pretty. And then these wooden leaves. Now, I have always been a tremendous fan of wood veneer pieces. I love them. They add so much to your layouts. But these are ombre in their color application, which is so different and so beautiful. There's also a few really tiny little hearts and stars in there as well. So a great assortment in that little pack. I love that. I can't wait to add those to the layouts. And then a couple of really adorable crochet pumpkins, because you need pumpkins in your fall layouts. So there's an orange one, a pink one, and kind of a greenish teal. Also very, very pretty ephemera pack. Fall is here, pattern paper. Beautiful leaves to echo the wooden leaves in the ephemera pack. Pumpkins to echo the crochet pumpkins in the ephemera pack. This beautiful green vine kind of paper. That's so pretty. And I love this kind of orange and yellow plaid here. That's gorgeous. Look at it with the daisies. Isn't that sweet? Okay. And then this is a beautiful cut apart sheet. Love that there's been cut apart sheets in both of these kits this month. So a selection of tags, some shapes to cut out, and little word art, and then 2 beautiful borders there that are perfect for your 12 by 12s. And so that is it for the bold kit. Thanks so much for watching today. I will have links down below for all of these products for you so that they're easy for you to find. I hope that you enjoy crafting this month. And I especially hope that you have a very fun and magically spooky October. See you back here again soon. Bye-bye.